morning everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite dishes, which is chicken with pickled lemons and olive, and you can serve it with some chips. It's delicious, and some bread. Okay, I'm gonna start with my ingredients, which I marinate my chicken's area with the same ingredient. Okay, let's start. Okay, this is my ingredient. I have a turmeric, ginger, just one spoon, one teaspoon of black pepper, half lemon juice, and I have my pickled lemon, which I'm gonna take the loop of the lemon, which I'm gonna use it in my sauces. And I have 1 spoon of garlic. As you see here, a cup is not full of oil because so really I have it in the marinade. And I have here onion, 2 onions. I blend them with coriander. You just take a lot of coriander, just a bunch of coriander, and mix it. And we have our salt, which we're gonna put according to the flavor. And we have olives, of course, without seeds. Yeah. Okay, let's start. Okay, we're gonna take our chicken. As you see, I marinated the chicken with the same spices. I'm gonna put my oil in my pan. I'm gonna put my onion and my coriander, and I'll put my spices all: ginger, black pepper, turmeric, and my garlic. And I will take the loop of my olives, my lemon. Just take it like that and throw it. It's fine. Give it a flavor. It will melt. Just to take the seed out, and we leave this one aside. And we're gonna put some. Let me clean my hands. We're gonna put some salt, which is not too much because our pickled, it's salty. The marinade, it has salt, so we're gonna have just a spoon. Okay. Okay. Now, my stove is on. Just to mix this ingredient here. Okay, we're mixing the ingredient here. We'll show the chicken here. When I take the chicken and we'll put it here inside. Put it in the breast. Okay. That. Put that whatever we have here. And we remove all what we have here. Put it aside. Okay, the olives, we'll use it later after the chicken is cooked and we have our all ingredient inside. Okay, I'll show you here my chicken. Just we leave it like that, as you see here. We mix everything just to make sure all the spices is mixed. And we add a little bit of water and we let it cook. Yeah, give it time to cook. Okay, and after that I will see you later for the rest. After our chicken been cooked, as you see, you can see how it cooked now. You can see how I'm putting it's being cooked. Picking it like this, so it's cooked. And I'm gonna take it out from my pot. I'll switch it off now. It's done. And I'll put it in a pan, and I'll put it in the oven to make it completely red skin and everything. And I will show you in the presentation how it's going to be. The time being, now our chicken is done. I'll put it in the oven later. I'll just let it to cool down. And after our chicken is done, it cooled down, I will take it out from the bowl. It's easy, we don't want to break it. And I will put it in 3-4 oven. And I will roast them in the oven. Just put butter like that, it will melt on top. Slow on butter. And we put them in the oven until it's roast, and I will show you the presentation, how I present everything. Okay, and I'll put them now in the oven. Now the sauce we let it to become thick and thick, and we add our olives. You remember I said the olives we're going to give it in the last. So we take our olive, we drain it from the water, and we put olives. And you can see it's already coming thicker. I let it a little bit, or leave it a little bit more to come thick. And from there, we're done with the chicken. We'll let it become thick. We'll give it another 10 minutes and it will be done. This is the final of my chicken. You can see I'm gonna serve it to the guests now. As you see, chicken with chips, pickles lemon.